Let's make arrow in Photoshop. Go to your tool panel and search for the line tool and just select the line tool and then click on this option, and here make sure to select shape and click on this fill and select your shape color, and if you want you can add a stroke for your shape from here. And then all you have to need, click on this settings icon, and here we can see arrow heads. If you want to add an arrowhead to your stirred option, you can check this stirred. Also you can add the arrowhead to end by checking end. You can also change your arrow width and length and concavity from here, and then just go ahead and draw your arrow just like this. So here we have the first arrow. Now for second arrow, I'm just turning off the stirred arrowheads and selecting a different color, for example. And now let's change this arrow width to 200 pixel, and let's draw the arrow, and here we can see the arrow. So that's how we can actually add arrow in Photoshop.